So to install a new spring on your dishwasher, all you need to do on this particular style is to insert the spring into what they call the door cable. So now that you have your spring connected to your cable, you're just really going to pull the spring back and engage the hook on the other end into a hole in the frame. On this model, that's the way it's set up. On other models, they don't have this cable and pulley affair. The spring will actually go from the frame right up to a hook on the hinge itself. So that one's a little bit easier. There are a few models that only use one door spring, and it may be mounted right in the very front of the dishwasher, and they'll run sort of a cable pulley system from both sides and hook to that spring. But 99% of the machines out there all have the springs on the side, and they'll hook up, like I say, either to the hinge or to the cable. So once you have it connected to the cable, you're just going to pull that spring back. So you can either use your hand and pull it, or you can take a pair of pliers, grab a hold of the end of that spring, and just extend the spring and slip the hook into the hole at the back of the dishwasher. And that's how easy it is to install a door spring on your dishwasher.